Hello children, we are back again with the second unit. Well, in the first unit, I had told you that the king absolutely did not see the old lady because the old lady was a fairy and she did not want the king to see her. She was only visible to the errand boy. Second unit, the old lady came trotting up. Suddenly the king saw. As he was speaking to the errand boy, suddenly he saw that the old lady, she was walking very fast towards the king. And you know how was she dressed? She was dressed in a beautiful short silk. Now let me tell you what is a short silk. A short silk is a kind of a silk which diffuses and gives you two colors. There are two colors, you know, whenever light falls on it, it gives you two colors. It looks very pretty. And she was wearing very costly short silk. She was dressed in short silk of the richest quality. And she came up to King Watkins. Now here we have the name of the king and his name was King Watkins. She came up to the king and asked him, King Watkins, I believe you are King Watkins, isn't it? Yes, Watkins. That is what is my name. And you are Papa of the beautiful Princess Alicia, isn't it? Yes. And now the king was surprised. He couldn't understand how does this lady know all about him. You're going to the office? The old lady asked. It instantly flashed upon the king. Oh, I'm sure she must be a fairy. Only a fairy can know all these. So, obviously she's a fairy. You are right. She read the mind of the king. Yes, you are right, King Watkins. I am the Grand Marina, the fairy Grand Marina. When you return home to dinner, now you have to do one thing. She told to King Watkins. When you go home and then when you sit down for dinner, invite Princess Alicia to have some of the salmon you bought just now. You're taking home salmon. So when you sit for dinner, ask Alicia to sit with you at the table and to eat a portion of the salmon. I'm sure she must be liking salmon. You will find after she had finished eating the salmon, there is a fish bone quite similar to this on her plate. Tell her to dry it, not to throw it away. You must ask Alicia to pick it up. She must pick it up. She must dry it. She must rub it, you know. And she must polish it in such a way so that it shines like mother of pearl. Do you know what is mother of pearl? Mother of P-E-A-R-L. A pearl is so beautiful, isn't it? It's of different colors. But let's think of a white pearl. A white pearl is very beautiful. And this mother of pearl is the inner layer, absolutely the inner layer of the white pearl. That is said to be the mother of pearl. And that is very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful and very nice to look at. So ask her to shine it like the mother of pearl. It must be very shiny. It must be dry, it must be rubbed. And then tell her that she must take care of it because it is a present from me. From me means from Grand Marina. To whom? To Alicia. She must keep it and preserve it. Excuse me. Is that all? Asked the king. No, it isn't. Tell the Princess Alicia, tell her with my love that this fish bone that she rubs and polishes and makes it shiny, this is a magic present for me. Tell her that. And you know what? There's also a message with it. Now what is the message? The message is, it will bring her only once whatever she wishes. That means if she has it in her hand and she wishes for something, it will bring her whatever she wishes. This was the magic that the fish bone had. I know you must be thinking that you should all have that fish bone. But wait, let's see what happens. But one thing, tell Alicia that she must wish whatever she wishes at the right time. If the time is not right and if she wishes it carelessly, the wish will never be fulfilled, and that is for sure. With those words, Grand Irina vanished because she was a fairy, children. You must understand, she can come and she can go as by herself. The king went on till he came to his office, the poor man. He wrote and wrote and wrote the whole day. And then it was time for him to go home again. Then what did he do? He invited Princess Alicia. After he sat on the table and asked her, Alicia, come and sit with me and have salad with me today for dinner. And then, as the fairy had directed him to take the salmon, he said exactly the same thing that the fairy had said to the king. He delivered the message to Princess Alicia. Princess Alicia, what did she do? She was a very obedient girl. I'm sure you must be all obedient. And she was also a very obedient girl. What did she do? She listened. She listened and she took the fish bone. After taking the fish bone, she dried it. What did she do after that? She rubbed it. What did she do after that? She polished it. Polished it till it shone like mother of pearl. The beautiful shiny fish bone was now in her hand. আচ্ছা তাহলে এলিশিয়াকে কি বলা হয়েছিল? এলিশিয়াকে যে মেসেজটা কিং ওয়াটকিন্স দিয়েছিলেন, গ্র্যান্ড মেরিনার মেসেজটা, ফেরি গ্র্যান্ড মেরিনা, যে সেই মাছের কাঁটাটাকে, সেই সুন্দর মাছের কাঁটাটাকে সে কি করবে? প্লেট থেকে তুলে সেটাকে শুকোবে, সেটাকে খুব ভালো করে ঘষবে, ঘষে সেটাকে পলিশ করে একেবারে চকচক করবে। কেমন চকচক করবে? মাদার অফ পার্ল, মানে মুক্তোর মতো চকচক করে সেটা সে তার কাছে রেখে দেবে। Well, thank you, children. That marks the end of Unit 2. We'll be back very soon again with Unit 3.